this is me, Paloma, and you're watching High on Trends, the show that's all about fashion, style, and gracious living. Today we have shopping at Esbeta and more on the Lakme Fashion Week. As always, we're going to start things off here on High on Trends with a spot of shopping at Esbeta in Bangalore. A lot of people say that diamonds are a girl's best friend, but you want to know who I think a girl's best friend is? Her handbag. Think about it, your handbag is always with you. She's there for you whenever you need her, and she has everything you need. Well, today we're here at Mantri Square Mall in Bangalore at Esbeta, which is like the handbag shrine. Yup, they're an Indian brand with Italian standards, and we're here to pay tribute to, well, according to me, the best fashion accessory ever invented, bags. Animal print is still going strong this season, and there's tons to choose from if you're in a rawr mood. So we're going to start off with a few that we have here. For example, this one. This would make a really fun day bag. And I love the fact that you have a little bit of this detailing, which is on most of the bags, no matter what the print is. So this kind of stuff is something that I like, which makes a piece extra special. And of course, you've got the cat right on the front. Now, this is a kind of squishy bag, and the straps don't hurt you. So you can either wear it like this or wear it on your shoulder. Comfort is definitely something you look at with an everyday bag. So if you like animal print, this is a great option. Of course, something you have to remember is the fact that when you're wearing animal print, the rest of your outfit has to be subtle. And I repeat, has to be subtle. Now, in the medium-sized department, we've got another cute option like this one. This is a great color because it's not too out there, and I think this would work with most everything. It's got browns and blacks and a little bit of a metallic hint happening over there. If you want to go slightly bolder, I think this is a gorgeous option. This is more of a snake print, and it's just beautiful. I love the color on this. This goes with most people's skin tones, and I think you could work it with a bunch of outfits. This is another great option. It's such a cute color, but again, this is a smaller option, so you can't really stuff too much stuff into it, and this bag has to be worn here. You can't really wear it on the shoulder. If zebra is what you like, we've got funky zebra right here. Again, a teeny tiny bag. This again is a slightly harder purse. While little bags are perfect for a night out, let's face it, we women need those giant handbags when it comes to everyday use. Now, I don't know a single woman who doesn't like big handbags, and we get to accommodate all that stuff that's oh so important to us. So we have a couple of options here with the big bags. For example, this one. Now, first off, I really do like the straps, but one of the things I would advise you to do when you're buying a big handbag is to pick up the handbag with nothing in it. If it's already heavy without anything in it, then I suggest you don't pick it up because it's going to get heavier still once you put your stuff into the bag. And also make sure that the strap of the bag is comfortable on your shoulder so that it can support the entire bag. This one has a really cool metallic woven strap, and I love the texture on the bag. It has these little knobs happening on the front which make you want to play with them. They also make a funny sound. And you've got the same texture happening all around. Plus, it's a lovely color. It's got this pinky peach, which is kind of a salmon that is very popular. So that's a great option. Now, if you want something with a little bit of bling, you've got this really nice green bag. It's got, again, a single handle. And it's got these interesting, really blingy rivets happening in the front. You've got loads of pockets. Compartments are very, very important. So this is another nice option. If you're going for a slightly different shape, now these are a little bit boxier, this is a great option. It's rounded, plus what I really like about this bag is the flap over here. And I like the fact that they've mixed up their rivets and tried a couple of different things on the bag. Really, really comfortable. And if you take a closer look, even the strap sort of has this woven braided detailing happening over here, which I really like. And I love the color. This kind of a dark blue goes with most anything as well. Now this bag, while I like it for its size and I also like the fact that it has double straps, is the uniqueness of what's happening in the front of the bag. Now from a distance they look like a bunch of metallic rivets, right? But if you take a closer look, they actually look like board pins. So you have bronze, brass and silver, and they're just really, really unique. Plus, you know what, I would say my excuse for buying this bag is because it has all the different metallics on it. You can wear pretty much any accessories, mix it all up, and ta-da, your bag will tie it all together. And then we move on to a wardrobe must-have. You must have a gigantic big bag in your wardrobe. Every woman has to, and if you don't have one, buy one immediately. Of course, this one has this really cute zebra print silky scarf detailing on the side of it. You can take it off or maybe you can change it. So that's the beauty of a nice big black bag. Check it out. Sexy, sexy. Over here we've got a really cute metallic handbag with pyramid rivets. Now these came blasting onto the screen with Carrie Bradshaw and Sex and the City, and they've stayed popular pretty much ever since. Now you very often will find pyramid rivets on shoes, on handbags in these days, even on clothes, and they are still very much in. Now this one has a bunch of things that we really like. It's got metallic, it's got the rivets, and it's got a little bit of animal print all in one. But what I really like about it is that the bag is very comfy and sort of easy to transport, and with the noise this makes, your friends will never lose you. They can find you wherever you go. So this is a cool option. Now what's also very popular is the quilted bag, and you have a bunch of different kinds here. For example, this is your basic quilted bag. I like the fact that the bag has structure and it pretty much stands on its own, a quality that I look for in a handbag. And if you want something a little more offbeat, you've got this quilted bag, which I call the Siamese twin or the Siamese twins, because check it out, it actually looks like two bags from a distance when you look at it like that. But it's one single bag that's literally joined at the hip. So you've got two compartments, so maybe you can use it to segregate it into, I don't know, your work stuff and your play stuff, and it joins this way. Cool, huh? And of course we love hot pink. But if you want something really unique, over here we've got this handbag, which is a hard handbag, and that's actually acrylic. So the handles and the front are acrylic, but wait, let me show you the best part. If you take a closer look, I feel like I'm opening like a really important safe. This opens, ta-da, a mirror. Yeah, I look fine. So that's pretty cool and something you can play with if you're a little bored. And if you want the similar thing in a slightly different variation, you have this one, but here you go. Ta-da! So you and your friend can share it.
Coming up on High On Trends, more shopping at Esbeta and fabulous accessories at the Lakme Fashion Week.